How to place a pickup order on Wendy's website. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open wendys.com and click on View Our Menu at the top. After you click on View Our Menu at the top, it will lead you to the menu page. Here, select the food you want. After you've selected the one you prefer, it will lead you to this page. It will give you different variations. From here, choose the one. After you've chosen, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on Start and Order in here. After that, click on Pick up your order and then add your city, state, or zip code, and then press on Search. It will give you different available locations in your city. And then click on Order here after you find the place from where you want to order, and pick up. After you press on Order, it will order for you, and after it's ready, you can go pick it up as well. This is how to place a pickup order on Wendy's website. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.